from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 11 nautical miles southwest of Bonita shores, moving west at 20 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Sanibel, Fort Myers Beach, Bonita Beach, and Captiva. The tropical